To us, helping companies grow their operations is a lot like preparing a meal. You need the right recipe for success. It should be easy to follow, cost-effective, repeatable, and all your ingredients should be in one place. At ARCO, we might not be master chefs, even though our superintendents could grill with the best of them, but we do know design build. In fact, we've been mastering it since 1992. How? By tying on the apron and following these 4 key steps to help our clients grow. Step 1. Make sure your recipe is easy to follow. At ARCO, you have one master chef leading all your projects from due diligence and design through to construction. Simple. Step 2. It should be cost-effective. We'll commit to a budget earlier in the process and take on the majority of the risk. Step 3, it should be repeatable. Or should we say scalable? The more places you grow, the less time you want to spend re-educating new contractors. With ARCO, you can leverage our 30-plus offices and projects across 48 states for the right mix of local and national buying power. And last but not least, step 4, get all your ingredients in one place. Design build means we're not just a general contractor. We can wear as many hats as you like, from designer to engineer to consultant. With all these services in-house, our clients move faster while avoiding compounding third-party fees. As a top 10 design builder, we can tailor the right multi-site program for you, just like we have for a wide spectrum of top brands. So if your pipeline is growing, get the right cook in your kitchen. ARCO Murray. Experience a better way to build.